I'm going to give you a quick overview of eBay Seller Hub and how you can use it on an admin level to manage your eBay promotions and eBay store. Let's jump right into it. You can access Seller Hub by hovering over My eBay and then going to Selling. This will take you to your overview page. At the very top, you have our different sections of Seller Hub, which we will review in just a moment. And right now we are on a test account to give us a little less clutter. So here in our overview, we have links that will take you to filtered views of any of the data that you see here. At the top, we have an overview of our account statistics and some quick actions that you may need to take to manage your store, such as shipping items or responding to messages that you have not read yet. Next, eBay will tell you what sort of tasks that they would like you to do for your eBay account or optimizing your listings. Moving on to sales, we have a 30-day overview of your sales and a 90-day total. This just gives you a quick outline of where your business is at the moment. You can click this link up here to view a total sales report with more in-depth insights and even download CSV reports. And then we can view an overview of our orders, and this includes any canceled items or cases that are open. And again, just click on any of these links to view the filtered data that's displayed here. Moving down to listings, you can view what types of listings are currently active and logged by eBay system. Then you can view an overview of how your performance is here. This will be a very fun spot as you entertain yourself with marketing your eBay store. And then we have the shortcuts and selling tools sections. These include links to certain eBay features that are extremely common and helpful, such as blocked bidders. This is a very fast and easy link to get to it, as well as selling tools. This gives you a lot of options for your eBay store. You may not see all of these options if you don't have a store yet. The seller level section will give you an overview of where you currently stand at achieving or maintaining a higher seller level. Promotional offers, this basically is an overview of the perks that you get with your eBay account, maybe your eBay store subscription, or if eBay's running a special for a certain amount of free listings, then that will appear in this section. Then we have our monthly limits. Of course, this is how much you can sell or list on eBay in 1 month to keep your account under control. And then you can view your feedback and recent announcements that eBay has released for the marketplace. Oh, and all of these sections are customizable. You can add or remove them or organize them by clicking on this button. Boom. Now back to our tabs. I'm not going to go in too much depth into all of these. I'm mainly going to focus on the store and the marketing tabs. I may review some of the features and orders having to do with marketing in a little bit, but for now, let's just go ahead and move on to the store tab. eBay provides a lot of easy options to customize the display of your store. Of course, fill out as many of these as possible to get as much content on your store to look at in the shop as you can. Now, important for Google though, is the About This Store section. You'll want to include at least 500 words, include keywords that a buyer would search for on Google that match your niche. Aside from wowing the buyer with a professional storefront, this comes in handy for a lot of other things, such as the ability to create custom store categories. If you create a custom store category, you can show a group of listings to your buyers, but you can also use that same group for listing management and marketing. And then subscriber discounts and store newsletters can be sent to buyers who have saved you as a seller. So on your profile, if they click the save button, or on your store, if they click this save button, then you will be able to send them newsletters and create special discounts for them. Now, moving on to the marketing tab, you can lose yourself in this for months. So let's explore promotions. There are several different promotions that you can create. Click the Create a Promotion button to see a drop-down menu of the type of promotions that are available. So first, we have an order discount. So if a buyer purchases a certain amount, let's say if you buy $50 or more from our store, we'll give you 10% off. Shipping discount, of course, is a shipping discount. Order from our store and you'll get free shipping or a discount on shipping. Volume pricing, Buy 2, get it for 10%. Buy 3, get it for 15% off. And coupons are fun. Coupons can be created for your entire store, or you can select certain items or groups of items. Sale event plus markdown is a option to create an MSRP market. And now for the most popular part of eBay advertising is the eBay advertising dashboard. You'll first click create new campaign, and you'll choose which one you like. The simple cost per sale, which means if eBay sells an item for you, then you pay a fee for that sale, or you can bid on a top advertising spot. Now, I'm not going to go into the nitty-gritty of how to optimize your campaigns. We'll save that for a later video and stick to our eBay Seller Hub overview. And speaking of marketing, in orders, the orders manager, you're able to quick send coupons and promotions to your buyers. And then moving on to performance, you can do some basic analytics. You can also download CSVs of the data so you can create your own custom or advanced analytics. And then your payments tab will give you an overview of all of your transactions. The research tab allows you to use eBay's internal product research system to find top selling products for your store. It's important that you use this because it's eBay's own website and business, so their best interest is in mind. And our reports, this is a summary of the reports that you can decide what you would like to collectively download for your records or for your analytics. And that concludes our overview of eBay Seller Hub and what you can do with it on an admin level to manage your store and your promotions. Don't forget, you can always expand your abilities here and provide safe access for your employees by using third-party services like 3D sellers. We have a much more enhanced listings manager and orders managers that can track multiple sales channels so that you don't have to only manage orders from eBay on eBay. So I hope you enjoyed this overview. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day.